spirits tend to linger in the wake of calamity. It is said that Galveston is one of the most haunted cities in America, and it all started with the Great Hurricane of 1900, which is the inspiration for today's drink. I'm your host, Bella, and this is Cryptic Cocktails. We're going to get started by adding 1 ounce of dark rum, followed by 1.5 ounces of white rum, then 1 ounce of orange juice, 2 ounces of pineapple juice, then 1/2 ounce of grenadine, followed by 1 ounce of simple syrup and 1/2 ounce of lime juice. We're going to add ice and shake. And then we'll strain our drink into the glass. Then we will garnish with an orange slice and a lime slice. And there you have it, the Great Galveston Hurricane. And now, I would like to introduce this evening's guest, Solange. Hey Solange.
Hey Bella. What is this? This looks so good.
So this is the Great Galveston Hurricane. I'm going to ask you to try it. Let me know what you think, and tell me if you can taste anything specific in it.
Okay. Cheers. I don't even taste the alcohol.
I know.
Dangerous. It's very like citrusy. I feel like it tastes lemon.
Not quite. There is.
Oh well, there's literally a lime right there.
There's lime in it, yeah. Not only lime, orange juice as well.
Oh wow.
I
feel like there's like something more tropical too.
Yes.
It's very refreshing. I like it. It's like a island vacation.
Yes, there's some pineapple in there.
Oh. So good.
All right, well, thank you so much for coming to try it.
Yes, thank you for having me.
Yeah, see you next time.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you for watching this episode of Cryptic Cocktails. Be sure to like and subscribe, and see you next time.